Today we're going to look at one of the advanced options that you can use with text in Cricut Design Space on your iPad. So let's insert some text. And I'm just going to use this font and okay, so if I click on this text and then go to Actions, under Advanced, you can see there's an ungroup to letters. So if I click on that, now each one of these letters is separated. The same thing would work. Let's see if I go undo. If I just hit the ungroup button, it's going to do the same thing. So basically those two buttons will get you to the same place. Okay, so now I went undo until it was back to text. And now I'm going to activate it and return so that I can do a second line of text. So if you had these two lines of text, but you wanted them centered over each other and you didn't want to have to retype things, you could go at Actions, the Advanced, and then Ungroup to Lines. So now it's separate lines of text, and you can select those, and then under Edit, we're going to align those, and where's my center? Align center. So now it has them spaced over equally. If this was multi-layered text, we would be able to go under the advanced options and ungroup to layers so that you could separate your layers. So I hope that helps you to understand how to use the advanced option. It's just another way to alter your text so you can use your letters differently in Design Space. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube.